In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove beauty mode on the camera of your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the camera app and you'll notice that beauty mode is highlighted in a yellow color right here. So to turn it off, just tap on that icon and you'll be taken to the filters option first. So under filters, you'll normally notice that different filters will always have a slider. To make sure you're going back to the normal filter, which is a no filtered screen, scroll down until you find an option where the slider is no longer there, like this one. Then to turn off, then select face underneath filters and then simply turn it off like that. And then go to color tone and make sure it's set to natural and not warm. And then you'll notice that when you go back, that beauty mode is now turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.